In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell your crypto on the Bitget app and also how to withdraw your money from the Bitget app directly to your bank account. I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide in this video. Now, if this video is for you, please, I want you to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And if you have not liked this video, please go ahead and like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's go straight to the point. So right here on the screen is the homepage of the Bitget app. And if you want to go ahead and sell your crypto on Bitget, the first thing you want to do is to come here to where you have assets, so your assets page. So at the bottom side of the screen, you can see where my cursor is, just click on it. It will take you to your assets page. And right here on your assets page, let me open it so you can see the funds right there. And right here on your assets page, if you come here to where you have unified account, this is where you can see all the cryptocurrencies you've bought, all the cryptocurrencies you are investing in, and then the funds you are using to trade. You see everything right here under unified account. Now, please, if you are not seeing this unified account under your own Bitget account, please go ahead and update your app right now. Go ahead and update your Bitget app right now. Once you update it, you'll be able to see all the cryptocurrencies you've bought and all the cryptocurrencies you are using to trade right here under unified account. So that's by the way. Now, right here under this unified account, you can see I have BTC of $100, USDC of $100, USDT of $20, BGB of $1 right there. So let's say, for example, the crypto I want to sell is Bitcoin. You can see the Bitcoin right there. I have $100 worth of Bitcoin. So now that you know the coin you want to sell and the amount, just come here to the bottom and click on trade. So we are going to the trade page. So I'll just click on trade right there. And then right here on the screen, make sure you are on spot trading page. So this is spot trading page, click on it. Now, once you click on it, come here to where you have BTC USDT. If it's not BTC USDT that is here, just click on the drop down arrow beside it. So I'll click on it and then you come here to this search bar and search for that coin you want to sell. So let's, for example, the coin you want to sell is, let's say, ETH, for example. Just come here and enter ETH right there. So once you enter ETH, it will bring it out for you. So you can see ETH USDT, ETH USDC, and so on. So if it's that you want to sell your ETH to get USDT, that's when you select this one. And if it's that you want to sell your ETH to get USDC, that is when you select this one. But for this case, don't forget it is BTC I am selling. So I'll just come here, erase that, and then search for BTC. So it will be BTC/USDT. So this is it right here. Just click on it. Now, once you get to this page, come here and click on sell. Since I'm selling my BTC, if it's that you are buying, that's when you click on buy. But in this case, I am selling, so I'll just click on sell right there. And then if you click on where you have markets here, just click on it. You see that you have different order types. You have limit, advanced limit till iceberg right there. Now, the popular ones are limit and market. I won't be able to explain all of these things in this video. Now, for limit and market, limit is when, let's say, for example, you want to sell your BTC at a particular price of your own choice. That's when you select limit. But if you want to sell right now, you want to sell instantly, just come here to where you have market. So I'll be using market for this video. Just click on market right there and then come here and enter the amount of BTC you want to sell. So let's say, for example, I want to sell everything. I can just simply move this slider. You can see this slider here. Just move it to the last part where it says 100%. That means that I'm selling 100% of all the BTC in my wallet. If that you want to sell half, that's 50%. Move it to 50% right here. So it's on 50%. So that means I'm selling half of the BTC I have in my wallet. So let's just say I want to sell everything. I'll just move it to 100%. Then come here to the bottom and click on sell BTC. So I'll just click on that. And then at the bottom, I click on confirm. And then just like that, it is successful. So let's go back to my assets page. So just come here to click on assets. And then right here on the screen, you can see that I'm not seeing any BTC anymore in my wallet. So I only have USDT. So my USDT is now $120. Remember, it was $20 before. So it is now $120 because I've sold $100 worth of BTC. So that is how you can sell your crypto. Now, let's say, for example, you now want to withdraw this money to your bank account. Here's what you need to do. Now, to do that, you need to transfer the funds you want to withdraw to your OTC wallet. So here's what you need to do. So from this unified account, I'll transfer this 120 USDT to my OTC wallet. So to do that, just come here to where you have transfer, just click on it. And then right here on the screen, you can see it says from funding account to UT account. That is not what we are doing. What we are doing is from unified account to OTC account. Don't forget. So I'll just come here and click on this switch icon. Just switch it right there. And then this funding account, change it to OTC. So this is OTC right here. So once you've seen that, just come here to the bottom. I enter the coin you want to transfer, which is USDT, and then enter the amount. So let's say, for example, you want to transfer everything. Just click on all right here. So that means I'm transferring 120 USDT. Then at the bottom side of the screen, just click on confirm. So right here in the OTC wallet, you can see I have 120 USDT. Now, once I've seen that, the next thing is to go ahead and sell this through P2P. So if you want to go ahead and do P2P, come here on the OTC page. You are still on the OTC page. Come here and click on sell. You're clicking on sell right there. So I'll click on that. Now, once you click on sell, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is to enter the amount you want to sell. So you can see the minimum you can sell is 3.6 USDT. So let's say, for example, I want to sell maybe $100. Let's assume $100. Put in $100 right there, and this is the amount you'll be receiving in Naira. Now, I'm in Nigerian, and that is why it is Naira that is here. So if you're in another country, make sure that it is your local currency that is here. So to put your local currency, just come to this drop-down arrow, and then search for your own local currency right here. You have different options that you can select from. So once you've selected your own local currency, go ahead and put it there, and please, again, make sure that it is your local currency. Very important. So once you've seen that, just come here and click on Sell USDT. So you can see on the screen, I'll be expecting my payment in less than 20 minutes. So this is the countdown here. So all I just have to do is to wait for the vendor to actually send the funds into my account. Once I get the money in my bank account, I'll just go ahead and release the crypto. It's as simple as that. So let's wait for the payment to enter the account.
A few moments later.
So I've just received the payment from this person. So the next thing you just need to do once you've confirmed the payment in your account, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on release. So I'll click on it right there. And just like that, it says you've successfully sold 99.9 USDT. And then I've gotten this amount in my bank account. So that is the simple way for you to sell your crypto and also withdraw your money from the Bitget app directly to your bank account. So if you've learned something from this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you also want to see my video on how to invest in crypto on Bitget or how to do futures trading on Bitget, I have videos on that. The links will be in the description below, or you can ask for them in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.